Your stay in the Hocking Hills should be your home away from home. We know that feeling because we live here too.
Hi, I'm Rob, along with my wife Valerie and our daughters Tristan and Mia. We own Cabins by the Caves, one of the largest lodging companies in the Hocking Hills.
We've got over 60 properties to choose from and the full staff to make sure that you love your stay.
We can accommodate your family or group in one or many of our luxury homes. We can also provide a quaint and intimate rental for just the two of you. Relax after a morning hike in the soothing hot tub while taking in the scenery from your secluded cabin, or kick back in front of the fireplace with your preferred wine and favorite people. We want to make your stay memorable, comfortable, and convenient, and a cut above.
And that's why our special services are unmatched. We can enhance your stay with in-cabin spa services and in-cabin dining. We'll deliver your groceries and we'll bring balloons and flowers for those special occasions. From the food to the cake, the flowers, the decor, and even the photography, we have packages available for your dream wedding too.
And after the wedding or during your stay, explore. We are central to the state parks, which include well-known caves and other natural wonders.
We are Cabins by the Caves, your next and best vacation escape.
Start planning your great getaway now.
Our family hopes to see you soon.